Good morning, guys. It's bright and early the next day. We're gonna jump right into things. First, we're gonna replace the this little piece, which is the battery safety terminal. They have a little charge at the end here. And once if you have a vehicle that's been in an accident and the airbag is deployed, this little charge basically disconnects the main power to the engine, and basically therefore you cannot start the car without this little guy. So we need to replace that. It's located right in the back in the trunk. Let me show you. It's right under the right there. It's the little red little box on the positive terminal. That is it. So we need to replace that. Then we're gonna refill the coolant and see if she fires up. The cable is already installed. Take a look. Nice and OEM look. Exact replacement. So anybody who would like to find out or know, should I say, there's a little charge here. So whenever the car is in the accident, it this pops right here and makes the cable loose. See, the connection is disrupted. So this wire initially does not get power. There's power still coming to this wire, but this part goes to the engine, and what that makes, you know, have the engine full electrical power, and we'll be able to crank. So we're all sorted out now, so we should be ready to start. All we have left is fill in the coolant, bleed the system, install the top of the airbox. I believe there's a sensor there, and we should have our first startup. All right, boys, moment of truth. We got the coolant filled. Everything seems to be in check. So let's give it a try and start her up and see how she sounds. All right, let's take a look inside. Here we go. First startup. Ooh, right away. Look at that. Oh boy. Let her idle a little bit. Let's take a look outside. Obviously we got these millions of messages. So let's take a look at what's going on. Obviously you have to clear those codes and see what they mean. All right, let's see. Let's take a look outside. The exhaust sounds nice at idle. The M Performance exhaust. Very nice. We got the front lights. Well, we got one side, but we got one side is on, so looks nice. All right. So here's the plan. I gotta make this quick because the back tire is bad. Trying to pump it up, but the air kind of it's leaking real bad, so I don't have much time. As you can hear the compressor in the back trying to pump the tire up. So I'm gonna start it up, and we'll try to move it right up here. I hope we could get some exhaust noise. Maybe I could back up on the street and see if I could drive up and down and see. All right. Woo! That sounds raw. Jeez, I think it's crazy. Wow. Did not expect that coming. Some more parts have shown up today. As you could see behind me over here, we have our front bumper that showed up. But today, mainly, we're gonna focus on the inside, which is I'm gonna take care of the belts, the seat belts, and the pretensioner, because they're both locked and blown. Also, hopefully the airbags as well. Reason being is because I have to send those out. I have found a company or an easy solution to repair your blown seat belts or pretensioners for a fraction of a cost. Because if you wanted to get them brand new, it'll cost you a couple $100, and this solution costs fraction of a cost, and you reuse existing hardware, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna showing you that along the way. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So the seat buckle and the seat belt right here, we're gonna take those apart. I gotta take the seat out, and also we have to replace the airbags, which are right here, or right there should I say. I have to undo the roof liner, and we'll take it from there. We have our SRS, or should I say air seat belt out. As you can see, it does not retract. Look how long it is. And this is the pre-tensioner for the seat belt buckle. See, as you could see, it's short in it. It's supposed to be a lot longer. It's due to the fact that the charger was deployed. Same thing here. So it's pretty easy task to take out. It literally took about, I don't know, 20 minutes. It bolts right up to here to the seat and the seat belt. Let me just show you. The seat belt mounts in this space right here. All you have to do is take out the side panel. There's no screws. It's all pop rivets. There's only one screw on the top side, which is over here. On top over here, we could see right there. You unbolt that and everything just pops out. A few bolts, one here, and there's one here. And that's about it. So now we're gonna dismount the headliner and replace these airbags. But before we do that, so I was gonna say, I'm gonna explain how we're gonna fix these. So I found this company online. They're based in Mass. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below, where for $79 or 80 bucks, I think it was, they will bring these back to original spec, like it came from the factory, which is amazing. For $80, I mean, you can't go wrong. This alone cost, I think, 200 something dollars from the dealer. And for whoever has the or is in a situation like this, they could just send their old seatbelts out and get them repaired for a fraction of a cost, which is pretty amazing, you know. So yeah,